Cheap wireless CarPlay and Android Auto dash cam from Aliexpress. 5G Hz height speed Wi-Fi. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, it can be connected to a mobile phone. You can preview real-time images to view historical records and quickly download pictures. With the latest 5G Hz technology, the video transmission speed will be faster and smoother than the traditional 2.4 GHz. Wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto. Wired Android Auto not only supports Android 10 or above mobile phone, but also supports old Android mobile phone. Solve the pain point that the old Android mobile phone can't support. Screen projection problem. K2 supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, which can adapt to more mobile phone models, enabling you to use mobile phone functions intelligently and safely when driving the vehicle. Except Huawei AirPlay Miracast wireless mirroring. Miracast. Directly connect it. No need to download app. Not support Google mobile phone. Through AirPlay and Miracast functions, you can directly cast mobile phone videos, mobile phone pictures and mobile phone music to the driving recorder. Support 1080p full screen reverse image, and with guideline. When reversing, the system will automatically turn on the high-definition reversing camera at the rear of the car and clearly display the state of the rear of the car on the reverse screen, so that you can accurately grasp the road conditions at the rear. The preview angle can be adjusted by sliding the left side of the screen to control the position of the guideline. Installation methods. 3 kinds of brackets. You can choose the one you want. Click and jump to the purchase screen of the bracket. Lithium capacitor compared with lithium battery. Lithium capacitors have better temperature resistance and stronger safety, which can bring long-term, efficient and stable use experience. GPS navigation. In CarPlay mode, the DVR can realize the GPS navigation function, and you can directly wake up the voice assistant and say your destination. It will help you plan your route, which is more convenient and safe for your drive. Note: the DVR itself does not have GPS navigation software, external GPS module, which can automatic correct time, display the vehicle speed and record speed, coordinates, and track. Then you can check the video playback in the Roadcam app. Need to choose GPS antenna set meal. With 24H parking monitoring allows you to connect dashcam to a vehicle battery source. Get constant power supply from the battery directly, so your car DVR will keep work even when ignition is off. Additional purchase of Buckline hardwire kit is required.